Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to be doing a first impression try on of the Urban. Oh my god. The Urban Decay Ultraviolet palette, and it is right up my alley as a purple lover. If you want to hear my thoughts, my opinions, you want to see me get this awesome look, keep on watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, the like button, hit it all. Follow me on social media, it's all down below. But keep on watching to hear my final thoughts on the Urban Decay Naked Ultraviolet. Alright, here we are with the Urban Decay Naked Ultraviolet. It looks like this. I did swatch it a little bit, and it is beautiful. It has beautiful purples, which are my absolute favorite, and I was not going to buy this because I have enough purple, and purple's not like a wearable everyday color. So I'm like, you know, Jordan, do you need the purple eyeshadow? But I'm like, yes, I love it. I loved my Naked Heat, which I didn't really like any of the original Naked 1, 2, 3 or Smoky. So I didn't know. I got the Heat for Christmas and never used it. Loved it. Ended up loving it. So I thought I would kind of splurge and just get this guy because I know I'll wear it at least for videos. It's so bad. Let's just get started. I'm going to take this optimized color right here. It's coming up weird on camera, but it is a very, very, very light purple. It's very light, super, super light. So I didn't hit my 100 subscribers goal for the end of August. I was so close. I'm only 10 away. I was trying really hard not to beat myself up about it because it's kind of hard to get started on YouTube, and I know that. I'm aware of that. I work on another YouTube channel that just recently hit 1,000. So I'm aware of how difficult it is to get started on YouTube. Like, I know. With that being said, no goal is unreachable. Just the timeline is. So I know I'll hit 100 subs. Let's aim for the end of September. I'm trying really hard not to beat myself up over it. Thank you to everyone who did subscribe and who watches the videos. I have a lot of fun filming them, so I'm gonna keep on trucking. Okay, so I have the purple laid down. I know it's very hard to see. It is very, very, very light on my eyes. My first gripe with this palette is all these beautiful purples. The only one that's matte is the one that's on my eyes right now. So that's a little concerning when it comes to deepening up the look. You know, I don't always want a lilac color. That being said, I think I'm going to go... Oops, just touched it. I think I'm going to go into this shade right here, right next to it, called Warning. I think I'm going to go into Warning and try to blend this in the crease. Could be kind of bad. It is a shimmer shade. Right. So, I mean, it's showing up. I think it's going to take a little bit of time to get going and to get even. Okay, so the pink works. Without a doubt, it's on my eye, right? I mean, you could tell the difference between this eye and this eye. Where I'm having the issue is the patchiness. All right here. You can see some right here and up here. Now, I don't want to fault the shadows. The shimmers really aren't meant to be blended like this, but in general the palette doesn't have a darker purple, so I feel like they should be more workable, or they should have included another dark purple instead of maybe this brown here at the end, you know? I don't know. I'm gonna finish up the other eye. Maybe I can get it more even. Be back in a second. Okay, definitely not my all-time favorite, but I like it. Next, I want to see these two purples here. Very pretty. Ooh. But I want Cyberpunk or Euphoric. Euphoric's got like a bluey shift, whereas Cyberpunk's a true purple. I actually think I'm going to go in with Cyberpunk. Let's cut the crease. I'll be right back. Okay, so I just did a rough crease cut, and I'm going to go in with the darkest purple, which is that Cyberpunk color, on a flat brush. I'm gonna pack it on the outer and inner part of my eye, leaving a space in the middle. I'm afraid of fallout. So far I'm not getting any, knock on wood. Next, I just roughly put some more concealer down right on the middle. And I'm gonna go in with this Lucid shade right here. Comes off like iridescent. It's gonna be so hard to pick up. Ooh, take the end. They put like a little teeny pencil on the end of this one. This like brush that came with their palette, and I'm here for that. Wow, I think that is so pretty. And it's like coming off like almost green, blue. I don't know. I'm gonna get it on both eyes and some mascara, and I will be right back. This is crazy. Okay. Everything's done and on, and I feel like I have an undetermined opinion on this for a couple reasons. For one, didn't plan anything on this end, and that's like a brownie end that's more wearable. The purple end was honestly difficult to use. It has no matte purples in it, other than that super light lilac shade, which adds really no depth. It's really just a good transition color, so it makes it very hard to get depth in the purples. Same thing with the brown. This is the deepest brown, so it's the same thing. I don't know if they intended people to darken their look with the shimmers. I did that today and I think it came out fine. The look is pretty. I like it. Would I have rather used a matte to do it? Yes, because I think there's some patchiness in my high points, like up right in here on the eye. It gets a little patchy, as well as a lot of fallout. Working with the matte purples, ended up using this deepest darkest purple dust here on the deepest darkest purples, and it's beautiful, and it really is stunning. But I just think I would have rather worked with matte shades. I don't know if they intended people to do blown out one color looks, because I can see that with this, especially if you use something like this on the top. So I think you pack that over the lid on top of one of the other shimmers you put down, and it just transforms it, which I'm for. I like that, but I just don't see myself using just one of these shades for a blown out look. But does that make it a bad palette? No. So that's why I'm saying I'm undetermined. I don't know. I enjoyed my look today, enjoyed using it. I just wish there was more to this, and I want to use it some more. So I think I'm going to use it some more. I think that I'm going to do a Instagram TV on it, so make sure you follow me on Instagram. I think I'm gonna try to put a video up of me trying something else, maybe in this brown end, but I don't know. I'm really on the fence. See, and this also reminds me of every reason why I don't like Urban Decay. I just found the palette lackluster, and it should be right up my alley because it is all my favorite things in one palette. So I'm slowly remembering why I also don't really like Urban Decay. So I don't know. I have some more playing around to do with this before I can give you my real final thoughts. I'm sorry this is a little ambiguous. It's ending on kind of a gray area, but I do like it. I think I need to experience it a little more before I give you a concrete yes, you should go buy this, or no, you shouldn't buy it. Stick around for more. Check out my social medias. I'll definitely be talking about it again. And leave me a comment. If you want to see another video on it, I can definitely do that. If you don't really go on the Instagram route, I'd be more than happy to do another video for you guys on this. That's it for this video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, notification bell, hit it all. Follow me on social medias. It's all in the description box down below. I'd love to have you back here on the channel, on my other platforms. Give me some love, guys. I'd love to have you back here. Have you used it? Do you like it? Like, let me know. I need other opinions on this because for some reason I can't give a concrete answer on it. And I really want to just play with it a little more. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Do you guys have any tips for me? Sound off in the comment section down below. But that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.